Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. So guys, let's go back to the discussion of the crazy action on your currency again. As you can see, what is going on right now, market is just dropping like the stone. Our invalidation point is still stands intact, so market hasn't quite reached it yet, but it stands very close, 1170 right now. Trend is shifting bearish, as you can see. So guys, that's why in general we have said in the weekly research that if you would like to trade market on the long side, if you would like to trade this grabber or something of that sort, any bullish patterns, you could do this, but you will have to place very far stop. So your stop should be somewhere below these lows, or at least below the lows of this grabber. What could happen if you imagine what could happen if you would place the stop somewhere on some fib level inside of this candle? It's already has been hit. That's why we said this is very volatile action. So when the market stands in the sideways and keeps intact the major crucial levels, so this level is for bearish sentiment, that level is for bullish sentiment, while market stands and keeps both levels valid, keeping the chances for as bullish patterns as bearish patterns. So on the bullish patterns we have, for example, this sort of the butterfly, that butterfly also could be formed. I do not want to even speak again about the hand and shoulders and then currently 222. To the downside we could get this butterfly to the downside, right? It's also possible. So all these potential patterns are still possible because no major levels have been broken yet. And when you have this story, you should be ready for nervous action, for choppiness on the market, great volatility on the market that will force you to move to place your stops rather far. And another negative feature of such sort of the markets is that you can't actually estimate the target with an acceptable precision. So what target will be hit? Who knows? Based on this pattern, just this top should be taken out. But this is too small distance compared to the risk that you could get, right? If you would like to make the bet on some kind of the A, B, C, bottom, D pattern, well, maybe it will be reached. But again, risk reward will be approximately 1 to 1, so also it's not really attractive. Taking into consideration some far targets, is it really possible right now in the current situation or not? It's a real difficult question. That's why, although we said that, yes, we can't speak about the bearish position yet since market stands above the 111.30 area, but if you would like to trade it on the long side, you should be ready for such negative features of the current market. If it's acceptable for you, you could try to do this. So what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. On intraday charts, we have some bearish signs. So first of all, as you can see, our suggestion in the bullish action that we have discussed in weekend, when we said that market has turned up before this fifth swing inside of triangle has been completed, it looks bullish. But take a look, market wasn't able to break through the trend line again. So this is the sequence failure to break through this trend line. You can see there's a lot of selling pressure was standing here. You can see these long tails right at the resistance. So that was attempt to break it, failure again, even on the negative. Some positive events from the Deutsche Bank and it's Starry. As you can see, market has skyrocketed right back up to the resistance. But take a look, it was really significant selling pressure on the market. So long tails, it's attempt failure, again, and this may no bullish power. It has been housed and market drops right back down. On the way down, market also as you can see, has tested both pivots and dropped right now to the daily pivot support 1. Sorry, not daily pivot support 1, weekly pivot support 1. This is also tells about existing of the bearish sentiment. So attempt of the market to pass through this trend line has failed, although overall setup was looked not bad in general. The upward action really has happened, but market has tested pivots and drops right now. So standing below both pivots as weekly and the monthly suggests existing of the bearish sentiment on the market. Right now market stands weekly pivot support 1. If, and probably this will happen, if market will drop below it, it will tell us that it's not really a retracement, because this is not a good sign for the bulls when the market breaks through the weekly pivot support 1. Next destination point will be precisely at our area. This will be not just the normal natural support resistance area. As you can see, its previous low stands around this level. On the daily chart we also see that will be 50% major support, yearly pivot point, but also this will be monthly pivot support 1, and breaking through it will shift finally sentiment on the bearish side. Now chances on this downward action is really significant. I don't want to promise something because in the current market you could see that it's so noisy action. So because and market is driving right now, but by many absolutely different events and news. So it's making some forecast, clearer forecast on the current situation. It's not really good idea. The one thing that we do know is that just keep watching for 111.30. The market will break it to the downside. This will be signal for us. I mean real breakout, not just washing out the stops that have been placed here, returning right back up. I mean the real breakout and standing below this level. So as soon as market will do this, this will shift sentiment on the bearish side, and we finally could start to search chance for taking to short. Currently, guys, although market is keeping bullish patterns and in general sometimes shows even significant upward action, you can see that in general this bullish action is not as powerful as it should be. So market is trying to show the bullish action, trying to pass through this resistance area, but it fails every time. So it means that the bullish power is not real sufficient, it's not real significant to lead market to some significant action, to break this indecision consolidation where market stands right now. Maybe some really significant driving factor market needs to do this. But it seems that the bullish power becomes weaker and bullish power is exhausting gradually, because it wasn't able even to push market for this resistance that already has been tested many times. It has become weaker for as soon as it has tested many times already. So that's why, guys, currently I'm not sure that it's a good idea to go long either on the euro currency, because this taking the long position against the sell-off probably not really a good idea, and taking into consideration the signs of weakness that market has shown here, and the fact that market stands below both pivots. So in the current situation, as you can see, it's not really very fascinating situation. So on the hourly chart, the one thing that you probably could try to do is take a look at this resistance thrust down. On this resistance thrust, maybe you could try to catch here some Jordan Apple patch. Maybe market will form some double repo or double or bread and butter trade. Probably bread and butter will be more logical here. As soon as market will form here bread and butter, you could probably try to take the scalp short position based on this thrust down. It's only tactical stops that we have. Speaking on a bit larger picture, recall that we have here in fact this A, B, C top pattern. So initially it was the head and shoulders, but as soon as the minor target has been completed, I don't think that it's needed to be treated as the head and shoulders, just A, B, C, D pattern. So you can see after the CD leg has hit the 100% extensions, was really deep retracement driving by some supported news on the Deutsche Bank situation, has triggered this significant bounce up. But take a look, these lows stand lower than this one. So theoretically, this ABCD pattern is still valid. As soon as market has returned right back down to the former target, it's 100%. Next destination point based on this pattern stands at 1618, and it's approximately 111 even area. 1090, 111. So if this will happen, it's probably market already will be below this major support area. So that's why overall action based on this ABCD suggests that probably downward action should be continued here. But as I said, if you still would like to take this position and you would like to position yourself with this ABCD pattern, wait for some directional pattern. For example, if market will form the bread and butter sell here, you could try to do this, use it for taking the short, because in this case you will be able to move your stop to the break even as soon as market will complete the target of the bread and butter. If later market will start an upward action, you will lose nothing because you will be protected by the break-even stop. But if market will really continue to move lower, well, this will be just a perfect position because you will take the position in advance of the strong breakout, and you already will have your stop at the break-even. So that's the major idea of the current strategy on today's session. That being said, I think that we do not want to go long against this drop, although as you can see, just recent times this drop very fast is shifting by significant rallies. So you can see it was really choppy action. But still, I do not know whether some news will be released or something will happen or not. And I do not want to gamble on this subject. So that's why in the current situation I do not want to go against the sell-off on the intraday charts, especially as you can see that the daily trend is also shifting bearish here. That's why probably our strategy for today's session suggests watching for Jordan Napoli bread and butter trade here. If we will get some retracement and bread and butter sell, we could try to take the short position here as soon as market will complete the target of the bread and butter. The target of the bread and butter is the 618 support of the whole upward action, backward action against this thrust. Okay, we move our stop to the break even and then just watch the movie what will happen. Upward action, well, we will lose nothing, it's normal. Downward action, breakout through the 111.30, well, it will be a very good position. So that's our major idea right now.